J-Star.
That's it, yo.
They lied to me. I want to live.
Happy birthday to you. Beautiful. Yo, we on our way to the Breakfast Club down here in Houston. Well known all around the world. Listen, the food here is amazing. Best breakfast ever. You know what I'm saying? We about to get lit. Come on.
Did you hear anything I said?
Yes, ma'am.
You can't chew gum and walk at the same time.
I heard.
Boom, a boomerang, boom, boom. Hey!
I've been on. Tell me who gon' take me off. Take me off. I've been on.
Yo, I just left the Boombox taco truck. Got me some street tacos. About to try it out, let y'all know how it tastes for real, know what I'm saying? Hold my plate up just in case that thing decide to fall on me. Delicious. Well, I've been waiting all week for these, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Oh, it's beautiful.
The international coffee industry. Yeah. We want some that, right? Okay. Rhyme style clean like private turkey. Never fuck with a sideways person who is silent nervous. I be God to false idol worship on a rival merchant when my sides are merging. You heard a trill, I'm the timeless virgin. Better do it now while the time is urgent. Nigga waiting to exhale, but he never breathed in like a sinus virgin. I'm in China surfing on a cloud of smoke. I made a living off of trees, like a lumberjack chopping down a log, except I managed to do it without a saw. So you think you got it figured out? Not at all, no. I'm just trying to get a head start. Who's trying to count something in the mall, Paul Blart? I told you hit the notes flat while they all short, reminiscent of the handsome and tall dark, all flawed and perfect. I recall one afternoon I hummed a tune and gave a caged bird a melody to work with, more than certain. I found my purpose, to rep for the people in my town who deserve it. That's you, HCX and you, HCX and you. It's all the phones on.
That was great. That was good.
Hey, if you do good, bro, I'm gonna do another one.
Oh.
All I ever wanted was to love you first. Now looking at the sky, praying that it works. Cause lately acting live can be kinda hard. Hope that you can deal with all these little scars. Now who am I to act like I ain't the one to blame? Like I ain't the reason that we got this way. Cause every time I push, I feel you pull away. That same person that hurt you trying to ease the pain. Don't make no sense do it. No one put you through it. You told me you would leave, I never thought you'd do it. I told you that I love you until we could prove it. Should have always last forever, never thought I'd lose you. And you ain't even mad, you just disappointed. You been hurt so many times, like you numb to it. No matter what I say, won't change the way you feel. You don't realize what you got until it's gone for real. Just stop.
Damn.
That's nasty.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love what you saw, please subscribe. Link down below right here. I got more funny videos coming, more music, more content, a little bit of everything, you know what I'm talking about. No, say.